Welcome back to Safety and Civil Engineers Insight. SOFA 12 is a powerful grading, contouring, and 3D mapping software. SOFA software is used for digital terrain modeling by the engineers for the purpose of planning of roads, railroad channels, water dams, etc. Digital terrain modeling is the base component of all modern geographical information systems and spatial information systems. In this video, I will teach you how to create and edit 2D and 3D topographical map. The map are created from XYZ data. So let's get started. So, so this is how the software interface looks like. So before you could generate your map or your contour, we have to impute our data, our XYZ data. So let's take a look of our data. So this is our data. Open it. As you can see, it's in Notepad. So we have our XYZ data in Notepad. So this is how our data looks like. Yeah. So it goes. So so to import our data so that we can generate our topographical map, we go to grid data, then we select our survey data, the XYZ data. Open. Click on OK. So we edit this to X, this to Y, and this to Z, because our data is in XYZ format. So the next thing to do is to click on grading method. We have different kinds of grading method. So you have to select the one you want to work with. To me, I feel grading is the most preferred grading method. So I click on grading. After that, you can also view your survey data from view data. So this is our XYZ. This is the eastern, this is the northern, and this is the elevation. So you can scroll down to see here. So after that, we click on OK. It tells you replace existing D software stuff / contour field dot grid. Click on yours and OK. So this is our grading report for necessary documentation. So this is it. You save it, go to File, Save As, give it a name of your choice. Say OK, we save it at desktop and save. So we have successfully saved our grading report. Okay, close. After that, you go to Map, New, and Contour Map. You see, the field grid data has changed to a kind of little boxes. So you click on it and open. Automatically, it has generated our topographical map. So this is how basically how to generate your topographical map using your survey data of X, Y, and Z. So here, I'll teach you how to edit this topographical map, the contours, so that it will come out well in your design for printing. So over here, we have some ticks. So let's deselect this, you see, vanish. So you have to take note of this. You see, bottom as this is out, top as this is out, left as this. You know. So it's based on what you want on your design. So that's it. So to edit the contours, you click and check on your um, left hand side of the screen. You see coordinate system, the info, and the rest of it. So let's go for level. You click on level. Let's grab this. Let's see what we're doing. Okay, the layers, generous. Okay, so we go to fill properties, expand it. You see it's none. So what pattern do you want it to be filled? So it's based on choices, based on design. So let's look at it. Just watch. I won't talk anymore. So listen. let's zoom in. So you could also rotate by clicking on this symbol, what we call the trackball. Click on it. Click on this. So to do that, you can click on this to rotate it. Rotate for you to the angle of your choice. So that's it for contour map. So let's look at this other one. Oh, okay. After that, we click on new to get to get a fresh page. So there's the first one. So this the second one we are about to generate. You go to map, new, 3D wireframe. Click on this and you open. As you can see, this is your 3D wireframe. This is how it looks like. You can select this, finish, select this, select or add, okay, select. So it's based on your choice what you want to achieve. So let's edit this. Click on this and the necessary information shows here. So we have the general, Z level, color zone, layers, info, etc. So it's based on what you want. So we should go to general, select this, you see it's off, it's off. Select this, you see what happened. Border, outside, so it shows for you. Select this, you see what happened. Select this, select this. So go to level, edit level. So it's based on what you want you can achieve. Everything is in here. It's user friendly. So that is it for our 3D image. Our 3D wireframe. So we go to 3D surface, click on new, map, 3D surface, click, select the feed grid, open. Okay. So this is our 3D surface. So this is our terrain. The topography of the land, as you can see, it's undulating. So it could be used for this software could also be used for erosion control so that you can have the full picture how you can control your erosion. So let's do some necessary editing. Come here, you deselect, this is off, you select, this one is off, select, you deselect. So you just have to take notes of all these necessary pattern of editing based on your choice anyway. So you click on this left hand side, you do the next. So you could also bring out or show the color scale, which is this. So you can see, you select, is out, you deselect, is off. Show layers. Okay. So you can also change the color of this surface here. So let's do that. Click on this. You can change it to rainbow pastel. You can see it has changed. Let's do it again. So let's select on that one. Land. Let's change shyness. So we could increase the shyness. You see, or reduce it is a choice. Scroll down, show base. So this is how to show for your base. You select your base shows. You could also edit your base based on how you want it. You want it, click on edit base properties. So how do you want it? Is it none or solid or light? So let's click on color. Want to be blue. You come here, solid, and the lines, we want lines to be yellow. Say okay. So this is how to go about it. Your 3D surface. Also have for the mesh. You see, you deselect, you select. Go to line properties. You can select the line you want based on your concept of design. Increase the width. The width. Draw lines. You click. You click here. Select. You see. You want this. Scroll down. Line properties. So basically, everything is in your hands. This software is user friendly. It's based on what you want and it will give you exactly what you want. You could as well come up with a text. So, okay, I want to web test topographical. So you could edit, give it a name, a font style name, topographical map. You can give it bell empty or something different. You know, so you could also increase the font height, color, blue, bold, italic, underline as you want it. So you want to be at the left, center, right, top. When you're doing it, click on OK. So you have it here. So thank you for watching and God bless.